Okay, welcome back again. What I want to do is simply to show you maximum demand and diversity and how it is calculated. Okay. Now again, read the information. Okay. I try to bring it in as close as possible so you can see it for yourselves. Okay, and read the information, extract it, make it your own. Make sure that all the elements of lighting is taken into account. Okay, otherwise your circuit breaker would just simply keep on tripping because of the excess load on it. So bear that in mind, be aware of that. Okay. Okay, good, thank you. Bye bye for now.